Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to give you not one, but two reasons to get your credit in order if it is not already there. I mean, to get it to where it is not just okay, but excellent credit to open these types of doors that I'm getting ready to expose you to. Now, most people have issues with funding, especially business owners. Small business owners that are just starting out. Funding is always this forever revolving wheel where you're trying to figure out how to get the funding to do the things that you need to do. Well, I'm going to show you a couple offers that I recently received that take some of the pressure off of this, and it's for no other reason other than me having excellent credit. Okay. This is the first offer. It is through Chase. So I have a Chase Business Inc. card. Chase recently sent me an offer to convert my Chase credit limit into cash, basically to liquidate the card. And what's so awesome about this offer is they're not going to do any credit check. They've already done a soft pull. They know that I'm in good shape. So they're not going to do any credit check, and there's no prepayment penalties. They'll let me finance this for up to 60 months and no origination fees. So if you go to these third-party companies that you see online, I won't name them, but you probably know who some of them are. They'll charge insane loan origination fees, which an origination point is 1% of the loan amount. So I've seen companies charge as much as 6 loan origination points and then more than 20% in interest. Now, I actually have gotten this offer before, and when I received this offer before, I went ahead through the process and took a small loan. I liquidated a small portion of my credit line. My interest rate ended up being 7.75%. And this was last year. Rates were higher than they are now. And I was still able to get it 7.75% for a totally unsecured loan. To me, that's pretty awesome. So that's the first offer that I received. And this is just for having, excellent credit. The second offer, I'm getting ready to put on your screen right now. The second offer is from Discover. And what Discover is offering me right now, and this is on the personal side. The Chase offer was on the business side. The Discover is on the personal side. And just full disclosure, I've had this Discover card for quite a while. I made a video a while back of how I was able to get the limit up to nearly $50,000. So I'll put a link in the description and also in the comments so you can check that video out. But the Discover card sent me an offer for a 1% interest rate for 6 months. That is freaking awesome. So I got until November 18th, and as of the recording of this video, that's about 6 weeks from now, to accept this offer. And basically all of my purchases up until for the next 6 months would be at 0.9% interest. That's less than 1% for 6 months. So think about that. If you needed to buy office equipment and you thought you could maybe pay it in 6 months, well, now you'd be doing that at nearly the same cost as cash, less than 1%. Maybe you just need some working capital for a few months and you don't want to take out an expensive loan. This can be an outlet for you to do something like that, especially in the short term. So it is very short term. We're talking about 6 months, but 1% interest is just something not to take lightly. So there it is. There are two offers that I received simply off of having a good credit history that the average person is not going to receive, that gives you access to capital truly at rates that you can afford. Now, I have a video that I'm going to show here on the screen momentarily that will kind of give you an idea of how I was able to get my credit to where it is now. Trust me, it was, and it still is a process for anybody going through it. But I also know that you can do it and that it has great benefits once you do it. So make sure you check that video out. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love to hear your comments on this topic. And until next time, Class is dismissed.